If you're looking for the best 75% mechanical keyboard in 2025, whether for gaming, productivity, or a premium typing experience, these top picks deliver cutting-edge features, customization, and high-performance builds. Let's dive in. The NuPhy Field75HE is built for serious gamers who demand speed, accuracy, and responsiveness. With Hall-effect magnetic switches, this keyboard offers adjustable actuation and rapid trigger technology, allowing for instant key resets, a game changer for competitive players. The 8K Hz polling rate ensures zero lag, while the PBT keycaps and volume control knob add both durability and functionality. If you're after next-level speed and customization, this is the keyboard to beat. Check the best deals in the description below. For those who love customization, the ASUS ROG Azoth 75 is a mechanical keyboard masterpiece. This DIY-friendly keyboard features hot swappable switches, an OLED display for real-time system stats, and a gasket-mounted design that delivers a soft, premium typing feel. With 3-layer dampening, the ROG Next Snow pre-lube switches, and RGB lighting, it's designed to provide top-tier gaming performance while looking sleek and modern. Want a customizable keyboard built for peak performance? Check the description for pricing. The EPOMAKER TH80 Pro Womier 2 is the perfect blend of compact size, wireless versatility, and premium typing experience. Featuring BT 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C connectivity, it's an all-in-one solution for gamers, typists, and professionals. The gasket-mounted construction ensures soft keystrokes, while the hot swappable design allows you to swap switches for a fully customizable feel. With an integrated screen for status updates and a VIA-compatible layout, this keyboard is an excellent choice for both Mac and Windows users. Check out the best deals below. Looking for a sleek, powerful, and feature-packed mechanical keyboard? The EPOMAKER Ajazz AK820 Pro delivers with a TFT smart display, customizable knob, and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. Its gasket-mounted design ensures a soft, premium typing experience, while the hot swappable switches give you full control over how each key feels. If you want a visually appealing keyboard that's also packed with high-performance features, this is a top contender. Find the latest discounts in the description. For gamers who want both aesthetics and performance, the Womier S-K80 is a standout choice. Featuring a color multimedia display, this keyboard not only looks futuristic, but also provides real-time system feedback. The wired, hot swappable design allows for easy switch customization, while the gasket-mounted structure and pre-lube stabilizers ensure buttery smooth keystrokes. Add in customizable RGB lighting, and you have a keyboard that's built for immersive gaming. Check the description for the best deals. If you need speed and ultra-responsive actuation, the NuPhy Field75HE is unbeatable. Love DIY customization and OLED displays? The ASUS ROG Azoth 75 is a perfect fit. Want wireless connectivity with a premium typing experience? The EPOMAKER TH80 Pro V2 and Ajazz AK820 Pro deliver. And if you're after a futuristic gaming keyboard with a stunning display, the Womier S-K80 is the way to go. Which one would you choose? Drop a comment and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the best deals on these next-gen keyboards.